Ever feel like a pile of jelly? Without your hidden framework, you would be. Today, we're hacking into your skeleton. Meet your skeleton! 206 bones of pure power keeping you upright, strong, and ready for action. Bones aren't just for standing. Your ribcage is a high-tech shield. It protects your heart and lungs from bumps.
And your skull? It's the ultimate crash helmet designed to protect your supercomputer brain. Safety first.
Bones are hard, but joints make us flexible. Without them, you'd move like a stiff, unbending robot.
Hinges, ball and sockets. Your joints are the gears that let you jump, dance, and floss like a pro.
Did you know bones are alive? They grow right along with you, getting longer and stronger every single day. To keep your chassis strong, you need calcium. It's the secret fuel that keeps your skeleton in top shape. Orbit challenge. Touch your knee, your elbow, and your ribs. How many hidden bones can you feel right now?
Keep exploring the STEM Orbit science universe. Smash that subscribe button for more biohacks. See ya!